10,000 tick trap. 10,000 tick trap. Ten thousand tick trap.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got brawls in Atlanta. Just in Dublin and Atlanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Mike Richardson, good morning. Happy Camper, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. We're back up live with new funded accounts. Thankfully for the news yesterday, propelled us to getting new 50Ks, and we're fully funded here. And just like any other PA, you got to start off with a quick loss here. I took a second entry long here off the 20 EMA. Good signal bar. Small risk, uptrend, coming off the 20 EMA, a support. So, gotta take the chances sometimes, and it was a 1-to-1. I don't mind losing that, but it's a shame. Mostly because it's late in trend. Could possibly be the reason why, but you know, how many times have you had a strong uptrend and you just wish you just entered every single second entry long? Oh, music's too loud? How's that? Alright, pandas. I'm gonna raise the volume on my mic here. Check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Check, check. Maybe that'd be a little better. I just don't like my mic clipping. Check, check. Microphone check. Mic's at low volume. The microphone's low volume. Are you serious? Check, 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 check. I mean, that's getting like clipping territory right now. You guys can hear every single sound that comes out of my mouth. Yeah, it's good. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Kyle Lubers, he's streaming from inside the house. That's not true at all. I'm in the forest. I'm in the bamboo forest. Okay. Got another attempt here. I don't like it at this point because I don't know. Maybe off this trend line might be like that a little bit better. Good morning, guys. Make sure you scalp that like button. We are fully funded again. It's a small setback. Hey, but we're right back to it. Gonna get it. And at the end, we might end up getting withdrawal at the same time as we would have anyways. So, we shall see. I gotta just trade. Gotta trade well here. Maybe I should just do some like non-talking. I trade better when I don't talk. Maybe I should just do like silent streams just to make a lot of money. But it's either that or like, you know, you lose all the entertainment, all of that value. Like there's so much value when it comes to like talking to the community and just having this kind of relationship. It's there's so much value to that. I think in a sense more value than just being able to trade. Bobby C, good morning. Freddie, Cabrera. Good morning. Mo7, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining, everybody. What a monster move. Daily chart. Well, let's look at the weekly chart real quick. Whoa, we broke the weekly high. Interesting. Very interesting. After this trap triggers, we break the weekly high. I think we're still in a downtrend. Daily chart. Breaking above. Right, we're always in long on the daily chart. Strong bull bar, ending on its high, near its high, then always in long. And we are at the 20 EMA. We could reverse here. 20 EMA could cause some issues. Mike Patterson says up 400 in my first Apex 50K long way. Hey, let's go, baby. Are they evals or are they Are they PA accounts? Mawashi, welcome, welcome, welcome. Evals? Nice. Alright, good luck. Mark Patterson says, for your information, we call our daughter the soccer panda. Wow. How'd that come about? Did you adopt one of my kids? Okay. Sitting on my pause, probably wait for market open. What can I say? It looks bullish. It looks bullish, but it's unsustainable uptrend. Is it that she's just like really likes pandas? Does she look like a panda? Happy Camera says, looks like the Commanders are tanking. Seems like they're gonna try to get Caleb Williams. Who dat? Replace Sam Howell? The thing is, I don't think Sam Howell is the issue. It's the O-line. It's the O-line and the defense. Like, how does Sam Howell put up, what, 20-some points? What is it? Yeah, how does Commanders put 31 points and they lose the game? How do they do that? I just don't understand. Market's about to open in 2 minutes. We had news already at 8:30. That's kind of what caused this initial push up here.
10,000 tick trap.
Sitting on my pause, like I can't take this trade. I can't go long here. Underneath the 20 MA, it doesn't make sense. $30 seconds to market open. We might have an H4 set up here. I mean, I'm looking to go long. What can I say? I'm still looking to go long. I mean, it's such a strong uptrend. Everything can get a piece of it. But there is like a 50% chance that this could just reverse here at the open and crash for the rest of the day. I mean, it could happen, actually. Is it likely? I don't know. Ends up pushing up pretty hard. Market opens. No entry there, right? You get taken out in the second entry long, but the third entry long works underneath the 20 MA. Sure, why not? If I show you the 5-minute chart, you guys are gonna be like, something wrong with the chart. Here's a 5-minute chart, and then boom. Market opens like 20-30 points above it. Where to closes at 42.56, opens at 42. 35 points. Opens up 35 points above previous day's close. Now that's a gap. That is truly a gap. Higher low setting up here. Do I like it? No, I'm just gonna sit on my pause. I got no setup here. It just seems so obviously painfully bullish that I just want to go long anywhere and everywhere. But I'm gonna sit on my pause here. Painfully obvious we're bullish right now. Oh, trap trade. I'm tempting this trade. It's a small risk. Going for a 1-to-1 here. It's just so painfully like bullish. I want to do any entry here, and so I'm trying to get in this entry. Painfully, obviously bullish. Does a tick shot me? Does this tickle my tick? Come on, film me here. Micro double top? Come on, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Why would you do that to me? Micro triple top. Okay. Whew. I'll take it. I went long on that trap because it seems very bullish, so I'm going long. It's a pull, like small pullback here. Let's get in. Could have got more than 1-to-1. For some reason, my markers are a different color. I don't care. It makes sense, right? Green long, red short, right? And if you guys don't know, it's very it's very hard to see the color of these arrows. I may change them so you can see them, especially when you have a green arrow and a green candle. It's very hard to see. Like there's a little arrow here, but you can see this one, very apparent. I might have to change the colors back to what they were, just because it's like you can't see these colors. You could have like a runner here. Going for a 2-to-1. 2-to-1 is made as well. I went for the 1-to-1, as you know. We're up $12.50, pandas, on these brand new spanking PA accounts. Translates to $4.54 of profit. I mean, imagine making that every single day with 4 accounts. That's $5 basically every single day on the counts. $20 across 20 times 250. You can make $5,000 by the end of the year if you can make at least $5 on one account. That's insane. That's insane.
10,000 tick trap.
Sean bull bar ending on its high, 5-minute chart. Woof. Look at this. Look at this. Bull bar ending on its high. We got a little congestion here. Hugh says, you never miss with the news trades. I just trade the PA counts the same way, news trades only. The problem is, Apex tracks if you trade news on your PA accounts. They track it. So I stay away from news. Painfully bullish right now. Painfully obviously bullish. I like an entry though. But you're so late in trend at this point. You're so late in trend. Kellyanne, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Mark Patterson says, I'm originally from DC, Springfield, Virginia. I was a big Theismann fan in the 80s. The Hogs was hoping they would choose DC Hogs for their rebrand. It makes sense. It makes sense. But I guess they felt like they had to be like patriotic because they're the, the capital of the United States. Washington Commandos. Okay, I don't know. This is wild. What am I gonna do? Just watch. Just watching this fly without me. I mean, I got a little bit of bamboo here. The thing is, you would have had a runner. That's wild to think that you would have had a runner off this trade. So late in trend. Nima O asks, how often do you end the day red? It's usually once. Once in every 2 weeks. But that red day, oh boy. This is very hard to trade for me. Like I don't have the cojones to enter in a market that is on a grind upwards like this. It just seems like at any moment it can snap, but at some point in time you just buy. Let's go long. Toronto says, I end the day red once. Once a day. It's a pretty good stat. That's true. You gotta have someone else do like watch your trades and just do everything opposite. But you trade like sim or something. Blacklight Gypsy says, for me, it's around the same time every month during a full moon. Do you become a vampire or something? Or a werewolf? Werewolf trading? Oh, okay, 5 minute chart. Another bull bar ending pretty much on its high. It could be always in long trading right now. Almost just still want to buy anywhere, everywhere. Any pullback, I think, will be small. But we'll see. Mark Patterson says, a scalp a day does not keep the doctor away. That's true. You might need more doctors. The high blood pressure. Carlos, my red days coincide with my rum and coke days.
10,
what a coincidence.
Tick trap.
Nima says, when I'm having a green day, I just keep going until red. Ah, I see. I'm not sure. Maybe if you know that about yourself, if you're green, you should stop trading. Like at a certain point. Interesting. Do I want to just buy a first entry off of this trend line and 20 EMA? It worries me because we could not reach the top of the channel again. Makes me feel like momentum is being lost. But it could just be a pullback here. It's a first entry here. Okay. If you went long here, you just lost that trade, but very small risk. What is going on? Is this the big reversal? I don't know. We finally have broken this like channel. This a very unsustainable uptrend, in my opinion. Oh, actually, depends on how you draw it. If you want to use these pivots, you're still okay. If you want to use these pivots, you're. Alright, let's use. Oh, hello. Let's use these pivots. See what happens. That's quite a strong move down, to be honest. Trap trade triggers immediately with the outside bar reversal. It's actually wild. Trap trade already triggers the outside bar reversal. Oof. Sitting my pause here though. In my opinion, it's like a first break of this channel. So I don't usually look for reversals. But we're so late in trend, it could just be a big reversal from here. Trap. Technically still you're in trap city. In the trap. This could be a double trap here. Sitting my pause. Mike Richard says, I can't connect to my rhythmic. Ooh, I'm okay. Maybe because I'm already connected. Let me put a... Do I want to put an order in? Let me see. Yeah, I can... Okay. I'm okay. I can put orders in and get rid of them. Currently breaking down this channel. I think trading range, can I say? You guys are in a position you guys can't get out of it. You know, it could be one of those days where Apex comes out and says, we'll reset your accounts. For free. PAs or evals. If everyone, if it's like really stuck. Everyone's in a trade. Ooh, and you guys can't get out. You can't flatten. Ooh, wow. All right, I'm staying away from this. Yikes. All right, everyone's having issues. You know what that means, pandas. Put in your complaints. Put in your complaints. The more people who complain, or it's not just about complaint, but if more people who experience issues, then hopefully Apex will respond and say like, hey, it could be it might be one of those free trading days. Second entry short. Oh, do I like it? Not really. It's the first break of this trend. I'm thinking trading range more than anything. Does break. Triggers the second entry short. Early in the downtrend. Doesn't quite touch the 20 EMA either. It's a decent signal bar. I think at the end you can tell them if you want your accounts to get reset. If they do give you that option, but if a bunch of people are having the issue, then definitely system related. If it's system related, right? Like they, like it's like I don't know, like if you have a personal issue, like your personal connection goes out, I think they rarely will do anything. But if like 100 people complain about saying, "Oh, my rhythmic, I couldn't get my trades, rhythmic, blah 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 blah," then they might be more inclined to say, "Hey, tell everyone we had rhythmic issues, and you know, so we'll reset your accounts, something like that." Only if you ask, I guess. Now we're actually touching the 20 MA here. This is a pullback or a reversal is the question. Mike G says, "Yeah, put in help to get." I think you can also go to Facebook group. You could. It's like football. When someone goes offsides, you get a free play. I'm just watching this. Okay, coming back up. This is really the first pullback in a super strong uptrend. Typically, it doesn't reverse. Featured Dad says, when it's this widespread, they usually make it right. That's true. I'm scared to go in a trade now. I have no idea what's going to happen. The best thing you guys can do, though, is definitely submit tickets to them. Let them know. Like, the more tickets they get, then it's kind of like, okay. Then they know. The chances are higher, right? But you gotta let it be known. Woo! What a move down. That's wild. Technically, there's a trap here. Huh? This is confusing to me. Bill7 says one thing Apex sucks at is customer service. I will disagree with that statement. I think their customer service is very good. Actually, very good. Is it still messed up? Lauren says events like this can mess up trader psychology. It's true. I gotta stay away from this. Jason Simpson says mine just fixed. All right. Some people it seems like it's getting fixed. Some people is having issues. Migration still can't connect. They did make it a little more difficult to submit tickets. You're gonna have to go through a couple clicks. They want to make sure you read everything. But if you guys want to submit a ticket, go to the Apex website. Like go to your account, go to help desk support tickets, and it's gonna bring you to like a couple issues. It's gonna show you a couple issues, like frequent issues. And you go to the bottom and it says click here for more support. And then when you do that, they give you a couple more issues, and then you got to go to the bottom again and say click here for more support. And now you can submit a ticket. After you say I agree, then you have to say an agreement, say you read all this, and yeah. So you have to go through like 4 or 5 clicks, and that's just to make it so I guess they get less tickets, but Les Hodge says love the chill music. It's just lo-fi radio, lo-fi girl. Okay, this market anyways right now is a bit terrible, very choppy. I'm not interested in taking a trade right now until something's a little more clear. I feel like we're turning into a trading range, that's what it looks like and feels like. But we have every reason to think a new high will be created before we really drop here. We want some sort of double top. The market rarely just reverses on a dime, rarely. And it does, and it will take you out, you know, if you don't have proper stop losses, but rarely does a reverse on a dime. Usually there's an attempt, right? Some sort of attempt for a double top, either higher high double top, higher low double top. Some sort of attempt here. Iron Crew says, I'm in a winning trade even though I can't close it out. I don't know. Is that a good or bad thing? Maybe this will teach everyone how to hold your positions and develop those diamond cojones that you need to trade. This is diamond cojones training day. Sorry for those who are experiencing issues. Like I said, the best thing you can do is submit a ticket. And you do have to click through a couple times. Just go towards the bottom, keep going to click here, and you have to have there's an agreement at the end, and then after that you can finally submit a ticket. By the way, pandas, um, Apex no longer. I found the I finally found the answer to the PA accounts, and Apex no longer uses PandaDoc. They use they have like their own, I guess, contract signing website or module, I guess you can call it. But you do have to sign a contract still. I'm on the Apex Facebook and I don't see Blacklight Gypsy says lots of people complaining in the Facebook chat. Trader Trev says I can't connect to Apex this morning. Are they down? A lot of people are having issues here. Les Hodges asks, do you think Replicanto is better than Apex Trade Copy? 100%. If you use BBM20, you get 20% off Replicanto. And it's just far superior. Like, far superior. When's the last time you got an update from Apex saying, oh, yeah, we're still working on fixing the trade copier? You'll get updates like once a month on the Replicanto because they're still working on it, making it better, fine-tuning it, maintaining it. Fixing defects. Yo, Jimbo, can Apex make it so that this day didn't happen? They can. They have the ability to do that. They have ability. They have done it before, especially when there's system-wide issues. You guys, the best thing you can do is write a ticket to Apex and saying that I couldn't get my trade. Rhythmic, Rhythmic wouldn't allow me to get on my trades. Couldn't get in. I lost my accounts or I lost money. Could you do something about it? And the more people that do that, the more chance you get of them saying at the end of the day, saying we will reset everyone's accounts, or anyone who requests, we will reset their accounts. Blacklight Gypsy, you said there was a chat. You said there's a chat on Facebook. What's the Facebook chat? Are you talking about just their Facebook page? I don't see anyone complaining here. Oh, the unofficial page. Who cares about the unofficial page? You gotta get to the official page. It's in the messenger. I think. Oh, I didn't know there's a chat. Interesting. That's kind of cool. I didn't know there's a chat. I gotta find this chat. What? How do you get into this chat? What? There's a chat. Huh. Am I too much of a boomer? Where? How do I get into it? Wow. Alright, I'll figure it out. They'll just announce they're aware of the issue. What? Where is he announcing this? Daryl himself? Alright, I need to get in this chat. How do I get into this chat? Kate says it's on MySpace. Oh, pandas. That's good news. If Daryl says he knows. Okay, it's on the website. It's on the support website. They are aware. And he says, here's the message. He says, we are aware of the issue, rhythmic and erratic action. We are working with Rhythmic to correct the issue. And as always, we'll make sure to take care of our traders the best we can. Please attempt to flatten your accounts in ArtTrader. Please refrain from sending tickets. We'll be fixing all accounts impacted by a once resolved at the end of the day. That's good news, pandas. You know what that means. You know what that means, pandas. Some Patrick Weiland trading right now. Are you ready for this? Offsides, free play. Let's go, baby. Let's see what happens. It's a trap trade here. Do I like it? Oh, man, not really. I'd rather go long. I'm still looking for longs. Still looking for longs. I'm going to skip this trap. Going to trade a 10K chart, perhaps. Trap trade. Oh, sorry, two-legged pullback, 10K chart. Offsides. Offsides was just called. Pandas. Yusuf S, how can you get your account info and the threshold on your screen? It's not on my screen, actually. It's just on the capture. Trap trade triggers. I don't like it, though. I'm going to skip this trap. It's a double top attempt. perhaps as well. It's just that we're in such a strong uptrend. I don't feel like very confident in any shorts right now. Oh, ends up being a good trade though. Darn. I was looking to go second entry long on 10,000 tick chart. Low carb counter. Has anyone been asked to verify ID? Yep. That's the new thing they're doing. Which makes sense. They should have done it a long time ago, in my opinion. Anything to do with finances, you gotta do the ID check. All right, this trap is actually pushing down pretty hard now. Okay. Might be reversing here now. I really thought we'd have one more push up. Just looking for a second entry long here now. I like the fact it closes underneath the 20 EMA here though. Could be setting itself up for a trap trade. Oh, it makes a new low here. Jeez. I don't know about this trade. Kellyanne says, I'm stuck in a trade on my PA and now I can't log into Apex. It was really hard to find the link to message Apex support as well. Super annoyed. Yeah, I think at the end they're going to make things right though. They usually do. I don't know, should I take the trap trade here? Or should I just go second entry long? You know, I'll reverse the trade if it traps. Second entry long, 10K chart, pandas. 10K chart. This is a bad idea. Like, is it gonna go crazy on me? Should I not enter a trade until later? Oh yeah, this is weird. Okay. Okay, well, it's okay. It seems okay right now. Should I reverse this trade if it traps though is a question. Maybe I will.
5-minute trap.
Whoa. I'm not on sim. Push! Push! Ooh, that's good. It's looking good. Oof. Okay. We're at one runner now. My rhythmic's working fine right now. We just made 5 hundo. We made 5 hundo, pandas. Remember, you can't make more than 750 a day. What is it? It's best not to make less than... It's best to make... around 780 a day. That's what you should be making. Got my 2-point scalp. Oof. Big push up. It's just a second entry long off the 20 EMA at 10K chart. It's a simple setup. It's a bread and butter setup here. Hope it doesn't take me out. That would suck. On the Strug bus. I need a little pop up here. It'd be nice. A little pop here. It'd be real nice to get a little pop here. You do not want to make more than 780 a day. I mean, you can. It's just that you're going to need just that much more in order to do a payout. At least the first payout. After that, then you can, pretty much make whatever you want. I think we're going to get a little pop up here. We're going to get always in long on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart ends. Strong bull bar and its high. I think we're going to get always in long here. We're going to run this a little bit. Get a nice little pop up here would be nice. Perhaps a 2-to-1 would be a good. Ooh, 2-to-1. Might be reversing. We might not get that pop that we wanted. 2 to 1 would be good for the runner, in my opinion. 2 to 1. It makes sense. The only problem is that I've taken my risk off. So it's a less probability that I hit this. But it's a good target to have, I think. A 2 to 1 risk reward. It's a pause bar. Trap 10,000, 2,000 tick chart. Trap 2,000 tick. Trap triggers. Get a little pop here. Just need a little pop. Gotta pop it like a pimple. Just give me a little pop here. That's all I want. A little push. A little push. It'll be nice. Really nice. Just a little push. Give me a little pop here. Come on. I think we get a little pop still. Strong bull bar ending on its high. No, 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 no. Okay. I still think we get that little pop. Come on. Give me a pop. You know you want to do a pop. Give me a little pop here. I have a feeling he wants to do like a little pop, like a little boom. I might have got greedy. Yikes, 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 yikes. A strong bull bar ending on its high. Do I have any reason to get out of this trade? I mean, come on. It's good. It's bullish price action. Do I have any reason to be scared here? Do I? I don't think so. Give me that little pop. Just that little teeny pop. A little pop. Come on. Not that I don't think we can make this. I just don't know if we can make it when I take my risk off. Right? I'm not going to be willing to risk anymore here. Pandas. I might have got a little greedy. Little greedy there. A little too greedy. I got a little greedy there, Pandas. Just a little bit greed. You know, sometimes when you got that feeling, you gotta stay strong. You gotta develop those diamond cojones, saying that I think we're gonna get that little pop. Especially got two bull bars ending on their high above the 20 MA. I mean, you got no reason to go short here. Every reason to think this can keep going up, and you gotta just stay strong, Pandas. You gotta stay strong. 2K chart, right? 20 EMA bounce off of here. You love to see it. You love to see that. Also bouncing off our trend line. Retesting this trend line that breaks out. You love to see it. You love to see it, Pandas. Now give me that pop that I've been waiting for. Come on. The 5-minute chart creates a pause bar. Hopefully always in long after the pause bar. Hopefully always in long. That's what I'm hoping for. Come on. Need that little pop. You guys know what I'm talking about when I say pop, right? When the market just goes boom. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about when I say a little pop here. Let's look at the 2000s. Let's look at the internal structure of the 10K chart. It looks okay, right? We're getting a nice breakout of this trend line. Retested also off the 20 MA, right? Double support here. Yikes. That's not what you want to see, though. You don't want to see it to go down. Anyways, I'm making money on this trade, regardless. I've already made money on it. Question is, how much money do I want to make? I think it's coming. I think the pop is coming, pandas. I think it's coming soon. Very soon. 2000 tick chart just consolidating here. Waiting to pop. All right. All right, there's a pop. That's the pop. That's the pop. We're getting it. Stay strong, pandas. Stay strong. Don't stop till you pop. Don't stop till you pop, pandas. I know it can do it. I know it wants to have that little teeny explosive move. I'm waiting for it. You guys know what I'm talking about. The moment we break this high, watch this little, watch it just go. Watch it go. We need to break this high though. We need to break the previous candle's high. Just watch. Just watch for the pop. Don't stop till you pop. Ooh! Ooh! Pandas! Pandas! Super Saiyan! Give me that pop! Don't stop till you pop. Don't drop till you pop. Getting it. We're getting it, pandas. Getting that little pop. Oh, you can do better than that. You could do better than that. It's charging up for something, pandas. Super Saiyan. Come on. Come on. There it is. There it is. There it is, pandas. I know it's going to explode. It wants to explode. You can see the eruption about to happen. You can see it. Okay. Okay. You can see it. You know it's going to happen. You know it's going to happen. You know it's going to give me that little boom. That little pop. More than a pop, it's just like trickling upwards. I'm tired of this. Get me out of this trade. Get me out. I'm out, pandas. 812, pandas. $812. Let's go, baby. Get that, baby. Got that, baby. Oh, I could have got more. Pandas. Hey, green is green, pandas. Green is green. You finally get that 2-to-1 risk reward, and that pop finally happens. Pandas. There. Oh, pandas. That was the pop. That was the pop I was waiting for. That was the pop. Pandas, that was the pop. And I got out right before. I stopped before the pop. Pandas. I'll take it. I'll take it. Up 1K. Or up 800. I'll take 800. You know why? Because actually, you don't really want to make more than like $800, especially when you trade the 50K account. Because you want to get to, you want to be able to withdraw. I think we're good. You know, unless you're in a place where you can like, you know, if you have a higher than 50K account, or if you're already beyond all of that, you know, you've made way more money, then, you know, I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't mind the, you know, the $800 profit. I'll take it, but what did I tell you about the pop, pandas? The pop. The bar ended. It just took, you know, the pop. Yeah, you guys saw it. You guys felt it. I know you guys felt it. You guys felt that pop about to happen, and it happened. I just didn't hold it. I didn't want to, actually. But I got the profit that I wanted. 812, I'll take it. I take it at 12 any day. Not complaining here, but I'm just saying that pop. Wow. Karaoke Asia says, we pump God is good all the time. All right. Getting blessed. Blessings on blessings on blessings. That's why the 10K chart is beautiful sometimes, right? When the 2,000 tick chart looks like trash, 10,000 tick chart is just, it's just simple. So simple. So easy. 5-minute chart also was a second entry long. So they're at confluence there. You can't see the arrow because it's green. I'm going to change that after stream, right? I can't have these arrows with the entry bar or the entry arrows and the exit arrows being the same color as the bar. So I will change it. You can't see it at all. Goodness gracious. Wow, what a trade though, Pandas. I mean, the 2-to-1. It's such a good trade. Can we just take a second of just realizing, acknowledging how of amazing trade that was. Goodness gracious. And we called the pop. We called that pop. Unfortunately, I got out before the pop happened, but you know what I mean, Pandas. You felt, I know you guys felt that explosion about to happen. It's like right before you're about to have crazy diarrhea. You just know it's going to just explode. That might be way too relevant for a lot of you guys. It's the crazy diarrhea, yes. Pandas, I'm glad that I didn't have any Apex issues. I mean, I'm fine. I'm doing fine. What a trade. What a trade. I'm almost pretty much at where I was before, these accounts. I'm in a good place, Pandas. A scalp a day keeps the boss away. We're about 8 scalps in already. And don't forget, you need 10 trading days before you can withdraw. And the soonest withdrawal request period is on November 10th. So we can build up our days by 10 days of trading. We're 1, 2. We can make. Oh, do I just miss it? No way. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. You know what? I think I just missed it. I'm gonna have to do it at the end of the month. Darn. I think I just missed it, Pandas. It's all good though. We'll keep building up. It's no matter. What's the difference? What's the difference at the end? Really, in the long term, what's the difference here? Wow, Pandas. What a trade. I'll take it. Mind you, these are funded accounts. Oh, you could withdraw requests from the 15th to 20th? Oh. I see. Okay, so I actually missed it on the first one, so. What? Withdrawal requests? Oh my. No way. Anyways. Alright, no reason to complain about spilt milk. Pandas. We'll get it. We'll get to November 15th request. I thought it was the other way around. I thought it was like the 10th to the 15th request. But it's 15th to the 20th, and they withdraw at the end of the month, I believe. What a trade, though, Pandas. I mean, even the 2000 tick chart was nice, right? You got a break of trend, come back to retest it, retest this trend line, and also the 20 MA. I mean, just classic price action trading right there. That's very classic price action trading. What can I say? 5-minute, always in long still, huh? Goodness gracious. I'll take it, Pandas. I'll take it. I'll take it any day. Yeah, my rhythmic is fine. You can see the rhythmic on the top left of your screen. That is the rhythmic capture. That is just a rhythmic capture. So this is why I'm the most profitable trader on YouTube. Verified. Verified. All right, that's the key word. Verified. They're probably more profitable traders than me, but they are not verified. Goodness gracious. It's consolidation right now. All right, keeps going up. Another push up. I mean, I'm done trading today. Like, in this sense, I shouldn't even trade because I'm up 800. And if you guys don't know, well, I'm actually up 784 on the rhythmic. The commissions are not taken out here. I'm going to change that soon. But basically, at any one day, you don't want to really make more than $780 because 30% of 2,600. I know it sounds very confusing. So if you guys have lost money, make sure you guys, get ready to respond to Apex. They're probably gonna ask, they're probably gonna say like, if you want to reset it, please. And you'll put that request in. But if you are trading and you're doing fine and you're not experiencing rhythmic issues, then then you don't have to do anything. Tate says, "I wish I had that diarrhea. I'm sitting all constipated, not being able to trade." We're still going up though, pandas. Jeez, if you had a runner, you're still fine. Ahmed asks, "What are your thoughts on rhythmic leaving positions open?" What? Very bad. It should not happen. If it does happen, then you should let Apex know. But right now, pandas, don't forget, Apex has put on their website saying that they're aware of this issue and that they're fixing it, and we will be fixing all accounts impacted by it once resolved at the end of the day. I mean, come on. Come on, pandas. That's amazing. Wayne asks, why is the market going up if the federal interest rate is the same? Well, because federal rates didn't go up. This is why they're going up. As long as interest rates are below inflation, no one cares. They have to put the interest rates above inflation. That's the only way to really reverse the market. Hugh asks, has anyone ever asked Daryl why our eval accounts experience slippage? It's because they're rhythmic. Right, even though it's a sim account, they're still using the book orders, right? They're still using the book orders, so you'll experience slippage. So you're trading as close as possible to actual money. Karaoke Asia, if you post that message one more time, I'm gonna put you in timeout. We're on a tear right now. This is one of those crazy days, huh? No crypto here. I mean, I don't mind if you guys talk about crypto. I do mind if someone asks what coin is this. There was a time where every new person joined this channel. I think they just looked up like day trading or something, and they just found any stream, and they will just jump on this channel and ask, "What coin is this?" And at a certain point in time, we just kept saying, "This is the Panda coin," or "This is the Emini coin." It's the futures. I don't know. It became so ridiculous. And the worst part is that in the title, it tells you exactly what's happening here, what we're trading. There's no confusion about it. Like Gypsy, I almost banned you. Watch all you guys put the exact same message now, just because I said don't put that message up. That would be a trip if every single person just started typing BTC to 42K by 2 weeks and 60K by 2024. Do you believe it or not? Think. Like, what is the message even saying? Kellyanne says, just close a trade from 9:45. I hope it was in the green. Think. I just love at the end of the sentence to say think. Think for once in your life. Just think about it. Will the world end today or tomorrow? Think. Will the market go up or down? Think. It just makes you feel so dumb. Just, you're not thinking, that's why. Which coin was it? Think. You ask a question, you just say think at the end of it. It just makes you sound like it just makes you feel like an idiot. How was your day? Think. Just think for once. Jeez. And any sentence you say with think, telling the person to think. Think once for once in their life. Finally, think for yourself. Please. Just one time in your life. Alright, Panis. Hey, up 812. Can't complain. I love it. What a good way to start these new PA counts, and we'll get it. We'll get it. Small setback, pandas. I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early, and yeah, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, 9:15 for the main stream, and hope to see you guys there. Trade safe, everybody, and make sure you figure out that rhythmic issues. Be on the lookout for any emails so you can respond. And if Apex offers to reset your accounts and you need to do it, make sure you take advantage of that. Apex is usually very good with their support, and I really rarely have complaints about Apex support. I think it's actually anything they do an amazing job. So make sure you take advantage of it. Even right now, right? They put a message up pretty soon after people complain about it or put in the tickets, and they say, we recognize as an issue, and they're already letting you know we're gonna take care of it. So they'll take care of you guys. Don't worry. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Trade safe, everybody. Make sure you don't go until stick to the plan. It's always happy trading. God bless. Bye. Think.